Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 6th grade concept of interpreting numeric data. This is standard 6.13a in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 49 off the 2016 released STAAR test. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and then we will look at our answers together. So we have a histogram, and you might be thinking that looks like a bar graph or a bar chart, and it is going to act very similar to a bar graph. The only real difference is look at each of our bars here is more of a range. So think of each of these bars as a bucket, and any number that falls in between this range is going to go inside that bucket. So for example, if you wanted to find the number 22, it would go inside that 18 to 24 bucket. If you wanted to find the number 70, it would go inside this bucket. But beyond that, it acts very much like a bar graph. So let's go ahead and label this in case we need any of that. This first one is going to be 15, 20, 5. Doesn't look like we're going to have any that's actually going to fall in between these lines, so that's super easy for us. We don't have anything here on this 53 to 59 bucket or 53 to 59 bar. And then we've got 5, and we've got 15. So there we go. That is the number of responses we have here. If needed, we can add all of them up now. Let's take a look. Which statement about the data in the histogram must be true? Must be true. So we're looking for the truth. 3 are going to be false. More than half the members are from 46 to 73. Well, let's take a look. Here's our 46 right here. Here's our 73. Okay, so we are looking at this range right here. Visually, it looks like that might be true, but I want to make sure by numbers here. So I'm looking at this 30 and plus 0 plus my 5 plus my 15. So that is going to be 10, so that's 50. Alright, so I've got 50 in between this 46 and 73. Now I've got to find this other chunk here from 18 to 45. And so I'm just going to put a circle there so I have that. Let's see, I've got 15, I've got 20, 5, 10. So let me see, that is going to be 10. Oh, look at that. It's also 50. So that's why you visually don't just put your best look or your best eyeball on that, because it looked like, because this 30 was so large, that's definitely, but look, there's 0 right there, so I guess it all evens out. So that is incorrect, because it's exactly half, not more than half, it's exactly half. There are more women than men in the choir. I've got no idea. They could be children, there could be penguins in the choir. We don't have any idea. This chart has no information on the gender of the choir members, so we cannot accurately say that at all. And let's see, we've got the choir has a total of 100 members. Well, we've already done that math, remember? We added up anywhere from 18 to 45 here was 50. And then we looked at this 46 to 73. That was also this 50. And we've got 50 and 50, and guess what we're going to get? 100. So that looks like that's probably the answer. Let's just double check to make sure D is incorrect. Exactly 20 members are less than 32. This is a little bit tricky, because if we're looking at 32, look at the next bar below 32. It's 20. And you might be thinking, oh, that's the answer. But less than 32 also includes this 15, which makes 35. So that's incorrect, and our answer is C.